Yes, hello. Today I just want to talk about the Xenfi hotspot billing system, the one that uses mobile money. In case you don't have mobile money in your system, Xenfi is good for you. So in case you don't have a Xenfi account, or you're a first user on Xenfi, you just come here and click start for free so you can register. But in my case, for me, I have already created my account, so I just need to come here and click get started. As the website is loading, yes, as you can see here, the dashboard, this is my net sales, agent commission, then the balance, then the system insights. So far I'm having 10 clients. Yes, to be open, Xenfi is good to use in case you have a lot of customers, in case you get customers in printing, but in case it's a startup business, I don't recommend you to use Xenfi. I'm sorry to say that, but you need to be keen and open. Yes, as you see, in case you have a print of customers, like in case you have a print of customers whereby people you can get at 500 a day, because for me you can see there's only 10, but on my good range you can find like I'm getting 25, which is not okay in terms of Xenfi, in terms when you're using Xenfi. As you can see here, that here's the balance. Let me show you one thing. And that's the balance. Here, as you can see here, the vouchers, for the vouchers I have made around 180, on the mobile money around 10k. Yes, and the agency was 4 something, but let me just leave at that. You just come here and scroll on transactions. When you click on the transaction, let me show you one thing. Xenfi is very, very good in case you have potential customers. You want money to sell vouchers, it will be better you go on and they implement for you Xenfi in the system so that it can work for you very well. Let me show you one thing. Let me show you something. As you can see, for me I implemented it was on 2nd April. That's when I implemented the Xenfi. So this was the system. As you can see, someone just bought a voucher for 1,100. Yes, remember on terms and conditions they deduct 120 just on each transaction. For me I thought they deduct 120 only on mobile money. Yes, but even if you're on voucher, so there's one thing, as you can see, they deduct like 33, 30 something, as you can see, 18. As you can see here, there is deduct. Yes, so in case you're getting 5, 10, 20, 30, 50, 60, please, I encourage you to use vouchers. As you can see, yes, where you see top up are the one that users have just bought. As you can see, this one top up, it means the user just bought a voucher for 600. Even this one, use the one for deduct, it's for the Xenfi system. Remember here, let me show you one thing. Remember they deduct 120 on each transaction or on each voucher. Yes, you need to know about that. Let me show you one thing. But what I have not seen Xenfi, there is a way to make your router to be smooth, loads very fast, internet comes as it is. For example, in case you send, let me show you one thing here. Is it in packages? So yeah, my packages. Let me show you one thing. As you can see, packages. In case for you set your package of 3 hours. Let me click in one and you see. And in case you clicked on the one for 3 hours, once you set the upload speed and download speed is 1010, just know with Xenfi everything will be as it is. Yes, that's the good thing that I have found in Xenfi, and I love it. Even others can comment about it that it's very good on that. But remember, sorry, this system is well oriented, and as you can see the way they programmed it, you can just come here and create the vouchers. So there's no need for you to learn more tech into it so that you can use it. No, the thing is open. You just need to learn some basics so that you can use it. And another thing, by the way, is Xenfi, you can access it remotely. That's one of the good things it has. You can access it remotely, and you see how many users are on. And another thing, in case you have let me show you a thing. In case you have many hotspot businesses, you just come here and click create. As you can see, let me say test user. When you click create, it will continue. Let me show you one thing. As you can see, it's created. So if it's our new user, if you're a new user on Xenfi, you just come here on dashboard. As you can see, this is you just come here and click on setting. When you click on setting, you just come here and set up router. Only that. So we just copy this. You just copy this and paste it into your MikroTik terminal. Yes, there you come and click continue. Then even here click continue. Yes, but let me tell you one thing. The reason why you're seeing this just because I'm not having another second router for demonstration. Yes, but in case you want my help, you will be contacting me. Let me go back on my point. With Xenfi, it's easy to know the amount of data you have used. Here you can see this one's 324. Yes, you can easily track it. Yeah, and another thing, you can just come here in case you want to withdraw some money. Come here.